welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I thank you for my subscribers, my viewers, my returning subscribers, and my new subscribers. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, I'm happiness and that you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the great family, guys. So guys, in today's video we are cooking egusi soup. Guys, I'm crying. This is my last egusi in this country. I brought this egusi when I was coming for years. I've been managing it, but today I'm cooking the last one. This is my egusi, guys. This is the egusi that I brought when I was coming for years. I just brought that from freezer. I just brought it out from fridge, guys, from fridge. And this one here itself is egusi, guys. This only egusi you can find here, but it's very before you get this egusi, it's difficult, guys. According to my boss, it's like they're bringing it either Saudi or what, I don't know. So we have it in the house, but she said she don't want it again. So, and they don't cook it the way we cook, guys. This particular egusi, they spread it on top of their baking. Maybe they're making bread, they made their rata, anything baked, they will spread it on top and bake it and eat. So they don't grind it, they don't cook it. So when I told her that I know this, I want to use it, she said, "Nah, they don't supposed to cook it, they don't cook it." I said, "Don't worry, I know, because me, I know this is egusi. As person who have run business or foodstuffs, you have to know. You grind it, you put it in your house, to be using it." So I'm going to be mixing it together, this and this. I'm going to be blending it together to cook. So this is my stock, guys. I'm using meat and chicken. This is my stock I'm going to be using to cook. I've already parboiled it, guys. Here I have ginger, garlic, onions, pepper, garlic shit very well, guys. And this is the stock I'm going to use to cook. So here I have my fresh tomato. This is my fresh tomato. I have ginger, I have garlic, I have onions inside, and I steam it. So I'm going to blend it to use this and make the egusi stew. Here is my scent leaf. I'm using scent leaf, guys. I'm going to use the scent leaf. So I'm going to make it the egusi. I want to make it to be more. I'm going to make it more quantity. So I'm going to store it inside freezer, guys. So I'll be using this small before you to finish. And here I have my stock. This is Maggi stock, and this is my tomato paste, guys. Tomato paste. I'm going to be adding tomato paste. This is the stock. So this is the egusi stew. This egusi stew, you can use it to eat fufu, you can eat rice, you can eat yam, you can eat potato. So this I'm making today. So after that, I'll store it inside fridge. So guys, join me. Let's make it together. First, we are going to start with the blending of the egusi and tomato. Before we start cooking, so I'm using vegetable oil, guys, to make the egusi stew, guys. Let's dive into it. I know you guys can know where to see the outcome of this delicacy, delicious and yummy egusi stew, guys. Let's dive into it. So guys, I'm done blending it. I'm done blending the tomato. This is the tomato. So guys, look at the egusi. This one is the one I find here in Oman, and this one is the one I brought from Nigeria. They are all the same, but different that this is white and this is milk color. This is our own egusi. This is the one they eat here, guys. But they don't grind it like this. They don't cook it too. So this tomato, now there is no water because I steam it before blending it. This is stock. Let's dive into the food, guys. Let's cook. Please like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. The first thing to add is my fresh tomato. I don't need to add onions or any of that because there's onions inside the fresh tomato, guys. That's the first thing to add. You allow it to cook like 15 minutes before you begin to add other things, guys. Looking yummy. So the next thing to add is my tomato paste. I'm going to fry it like 15 minutes. Next thing to add is your stock. Egusi is coming later, guys. So after the stock, as your spices, I'm going to add curry. This curry has the spices inside. I'm going to add in my cube. This is the cube. Maggi cube. Add my salt. A little salt because there's salt inside the stock. I use salt after I boil the meat. So. Well, let it set it to for like 15 minutes. Add the egusi. Mix it with small warm water, guys. Be cutting it and drop it inside the soup. You have to stir it very well to avoid the lumps. This is egusi, guys. Leave it like 15 minutes, guys. This is a molding egusi. This is how we mold the egusi inside stew, guys. That's it. Delicious. That is end.
Thanks for watching. Please like and comment and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.